AC Corporation plays a key role in keeping critical facilities operational by catering to the needs of the project at hand for data centers, pharmaceutical production, hospitals. We come up with solutions that minimize their downtime. Our flexibility to give the owner exactly what they need versus them having to go through a catalog, picking out pieces and parts that are dictated to them. In the conceptual design phase of a project, we need to get in on the ground level to understand what the owner needs are. What we do is create a solution that can be manufactured at our facility, limits the amount of time that they're shut down for, say, a change out on an air handling unit, so we can go in a weekend and rebuild a unit. We have signed a contract with a builder to construct a new 90,000 square foot facility, which will be completed in late fall of this year. AC Corporation custom units are like a Swiss Army knife.